So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natia. If you know you're new to my channel, you are welcome. And please don't forget to hit that subscribing button and also the notification button to get access to my new videos. So today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the maternity clothes that I wear during my pregnancy. If you know you are new, I just had a baby 6 weeks ago. Yes. So I'm a new mom. I'm dealing with new baby right now. I'm no longer pregnant. So basically, I just want to show you guys some few clothes that I wear during my pregnancy. So it's actually not too much. It's just something that you can get ideas that you can pick out of your closet without going crazy buying maternity clothes. Because during my first pregnancy, I was buying a lot of maternity clothes, but apparently they didn't fit this time because my first pregnancy was winter and this one is summer. So, and I was like, oh gosh, do I have to continue buying another maternity clothes? So, and also I didn't add too much weight, so I just went into my closet and picked up a lot of dresses, like some few top that I wore too during my first one, and some trousers and that kind of stuff. I basically rock more dress and skirt this time because you guys know it was summertime, so I really want to be comfortable, and I found dresses and skirt was more comfortable for me during this pregnancy. I really rock it. Yes, I rock it. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see a lot of my pictures. I'm sorry. A lot of my pictures, I was wearing skirts and dresses. It was nice though. It was pretty nice. So today, I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of it. Not so much, just some few videos, some few clothes that you can wear without going crazy. I know when you're pregnant, you just want to go buying and buying and buying and buying. At the end of the day, you're not going to wear them because they are not useful anymore. Yeah, pregnancy dresses, pregnancy clothes are not useful after your baby, and they are so expensive. Yeah, they are expensive. So if you have like dresses which you know, if you didn't put on a lot of weight, of course, if you have some dresses that you know that can fit you, even a lot of those dresses that I wear on this pregnancy, I am still wearing them right now. I can still wear them because there was eggs, so they fit perfectly and they are not waste. They are not waste. That's another thing I'm so excited about. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please, if you know you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below your favorite dress that you like on this video. Leave your comment below, let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Talk to me, guys. Leave your comments, subscribe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for sticking around, and catch you guys on my next one.